Hi YouTube, so in this video I'll be decorating a pumpkin to look like Will Smith's Genie. I did this design a couple years ago back when blue pumpkins became all the rage due to food allergy awareness. This time I'll be doing it on a real pumpkin for a pumpkin contest at my dad's workplace. First you'll need to wash and scrub the pumpkin to get rid of the dirt, which will make it easier to paint over. Next, painted a light blue. I like painting with chalk paint because the chalky surface is inviting for any art medium. It may need a second coat to get it opaque. While the paint dries, I'll be making the accessories. For the hairband, all I did was cut out a piece of empty paper towel roll and wrapped gold ribbon around it. For the hair, I cut out and straightened strands of black yarn and tied it up with gold pipe cleaners. Be sure to style the bottom part into a bun. And then glue it into the hairband. Apologies for the awkward camera angle, it just wasn't easy doing this while holding the camera. Now that the paint dried, I'll be painting on Will Smith's features. I sketched off screen because it just wasn't easy drawing while holding the camera, but all I recommend is just being observant of the facial features. I'm coloring with posca paint markers. Wonderful for coloring on surfaces. The white could use a second coat though. Finally, all that's left is the ears. I cut out 2 pieces of cardboard into elf ears and painted with that same light blue. You can also use clay for this method, but I don't recommend Play-Doh. I used Play-Doh last time and it eventually cracked. After it dried, I then stuck a hoop earring in the right ear. Now to put it all together, I just placed the hairband over the pumpkin handle, tying it together with the black sock, and then glued the ears with the hot glue gun. Finally, I added some black yarn to the genie's beard, using a separate glue gun with the black glue stick. And then tied the end part with the silver twist tie. Hope you enjoyed the video and that it brought you inspiration. Have fun DIYing your own pumpkin designs. Thanks for watching.